I was jamming out to 102.7 Ryan Seacrest, of course. I dance to anything. It doesn't take much. This is the interior design tree. I just go nothing but like high level, expensive type of food for anyone I'm hosting. So here we are, in and out. All right, let's find the drive-through. So here's the deal though. I'm a full-time working mom, so whether I'm work life or mom life, I'm on the go. So in and out is usually for me a nice little afternoon treat. It's also sometimes like the only 5 minutes that I'll have alone in an entire day. I'll usually bump a little Taylor Swift, a little Shawn Mendes. I put on stories, ask me anything. And the people have spoken. Business, personal, design tips, and the questions rolled in, all very good. Let's go through some of them. Ooh, yeah, what job would you have if you weren't an interior designer? I would totally be a morning co-host. Like Kelly and Ryan in the morning. Number 2, okay. Protein style. We'll do a Neapolitan shake. A couple weeks ago, we were, actually more like a couple months ago, we were going through In and Out, and the coolest experience, someone paid for our lunch, the person in front of us, and it really was like so cool. My kids were really affected by it, so now when we go through In and Out, they always ask if we can pay for the car behind us, so now we do.
Charging the car behind me now.
Oh, perfect. So hopefully it will make their day, you know? Favorite cabinet color? Great question. Dunn Edwards, Cool December. It doesn't matter if it's on a cabinet, a wall, a door, a trim. That is my favorite white go-to. What else? Why hasn't HGTV called yet, or have they, and when are they giving you a show? Yeah, HGTV, when is this happening? Just kidding. We actually have been in talks with them for about a year. Maybe one day the right project will align and we'll make something happen. So just go ahead and email the CEO, let him know that you're writing in on my behalf. All right, favorite style of window coverings for small windows. Romans all the way. They're really great. They add layers and texture. What do I think about a black kitchen? I like this question because white kitchens are so in right now, but I love a little moody moment where applicable. So I would say if you're doing a dark kitchen, but you're contrasting it with lighter things, go for it. I would love that. 2, I watch The Bachelor. Who doesn't? I watch The Bachelor, The Bachelorette, Bachelor in Paradise, and who are you if you're not watching all of those? Favorite white paint color, again, Dunn Edwards, Cool December. They should definitely be paying me to promote that color. All right, love your projects. Hold, making this turn, keeping everyone safe. Love your projects. Are they mostly your ideas or clients' ideas too? That is a really good question. So we always love to hear what our clients' ideas are first. We want to know what they're loving, what they're attracted to, but they're coming to us to create more style out of that and build a vision and a dream for what that home will be. So I would say it's a very collaborative process. We take their ideas, but what we're good at is taking that vision and breathing, as I like to say, breathing greater life into that for our clients. How old was I when I got married? I was 21 and my husband Wynn was 23, and we've been married for 11 years now. And 2 kids. We've been married for 11 years and we are 2 kids later, 2 businesses later. Did I find out any more about my possible gluten issue and am I GF now? I like this. This is someone going a few months back. I was having like a series of stomach aches, and yes, found out I have a severe gluten allergy, which leads me to why I love In and Out, because a lot of fries I can't eat because they like dip them in the same oil as other gluten items, and In and Out holla doesn't. So I can free and easy eat these French fries, which is why I come here. Can you create a cohesive style? Ooh, that's both bohemian and coastal. 100% yes. It's all in how you do it. We love blending different styles in our studio. We love when we get to have 2, sometimes 3 different styles that we're making all work together. It's just how you emphasize each of those styles. How long has it been since I started my business? It has been 4 years, just over 4 years, and it has been such an awesome ride. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Look at this. Look at these fries. Oh yes, this is where it's at. So this is lunchtime with Lindye, you guys. This is what it looks like when I'm running from job site to job site or soccer practice to ballet. Sometimes you just gotta make it work. Gotta drive through in and out. Thanks for hanging, guys.